Hello, friends. How are we all? Trust all of us are well. Well, this is the story of dedication and perfection in culinary. And this story comes from Kerwa, which is a little village on the highway between Ahmedabad to Jodhpur, where the entire village called Kerwa is very, very famous for its tea. And one particular shop is the one that has made this village very, very famous for the tea. It's a renowned stop. Let me tell you what they do and how they do it. This cup is called Sikora. The tea shop makes their own Sikoras to the style that they want. Now, exactly what that style is, so that a person can enjoy the tea drinking experience just like the Japanese tea experience. This cup has also been designed, or this Sikora or cooler has been designed exactly to that perfection. When I was served the tea, look how I held the cup.
बस कभी पूरे पैसे नहीं लेते साहब चाय की ये
वो क्यों?
आधे पैसे लेते रोजाना आते हैं ना
I held the cup from the top, and immediately I was told, sir, don't hold the cup from the top. It is hot, the mid body is hot because of the hollow body which is filled with tea. Please hold the cup from the bottom of the Sikora like this, whereby now, in accordance with Japanese tea drinking experience, the cup, when you raise the cup to the lips, you look into the cup, you feel the color of the tea, and then bring it to the lips, and the nose is so close to the cup that you start to smell the fragrance. So that is how tea is consumed from the Sikora. It has been very specially designed by this person who runs the Kerwa Chai shop on the highway. And how he makes it, how perfectly he makes it, let me show you that also. He adheres to the principle that we try and teach all our juniors that when you make your dish, please taste it and adjust before dishing it out and before serving. Have a look.
आ रही है
है ना मैं भिजवा दूंगी
वो बन रही है आप
हाँ मैं बेटा फोन देख के फोन करना चाहिए ना अच्छा कोई बात नहीं अब ये बताओ धोला कुआ कितने बजे पहुंच जाओगे 9:15 की हैं धोला कुआ पे गजराज ट्रेवल की बस है मैं आपको भेजता हूँ व्हाट्सएप पे है हेलो हाँ नीचे के स्लीपर है दो ठीक है ऊपर के कराऊं नीचे के कराऊं स्लीपर ऊपर के कराऊं नीचे के कराऊं ठीक है 2 आदमियों का करवाना है ठीक है मैं भेज रहा हूँ
So, friends, I took these 4 cups from the inventor of this cup and brought them back with me to the hotel so that I could show you. So, watch. when you touch the top part, yes, it's burning hot, but the bottom is absolutely cool. There, easily liftable. So you can imagine if you're drinking from this cup and the cup comes to your lips and the nose right next to the tea with the aroma, the fragrance, and you are looking straight into the cup. Imagine what a tea experience that is. Exactly coinciding with the Japanese tea experience. So, friends, enjoy your cup of tea. And if you are ever on this highway, do stop and enjoy a cup of tea here. This is the type of dedication, the perfection we should bring in our cuisines also, in our dishes also, and come up with this sort of a level. Thank you for watching, friends. And as I always say, do share the video, do teach everybody, do let everybody know. And once again, as I say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy. Thank you.